Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy the Camo Cannon. I just want to do a quick kind of a tutorial video, but I get a lot of DMs about people asking me like how do I shoot like product photography or shoot my camera, how do I pick the location. I have a book bag that was given to me for one of my ads for TARION. They do like camera book bags for like Amazon, things like that. And just got off of work, so don't mind my attire. I look like a bum right now, so I just wanted to do some content because I do need to be making a lot more videos. I don't want to just use pictures as my crush on my content, so I'm gonna do like this quick little video on how to shoot like a book bag and my camera. So let's get into that. Hey, so that's all I have for today. Those are a couple snippets that I have about product photography. I hope y'all are being safe in this quarantine period. As you can see, I'm in the house, so I'm just trying to clean it up. But I just thought to do this video because a lot of people have a lot of questions about the way that I shoot photography or I shoot products. And the reason, I mean, you don't have to have like a stupid, expensive setup. Most people who are looking at products online, they relate more to the product when they see it in an everyday situation that they're in, not on a white table or some exquisite set or, you know, on the island of Greece or something like that. It's about being relatable to the consumer. And like I said, I just use my floor here on the floor. That's usually where you're gonna pick up your camera bag or any type of bag that you have. You're just picking it up out of some random place in the house and taking it out the door ready to go. So I kind of want to reflect that in all of my product photography, just make it relatable to the consumer. If you have any other questions, you can always DM me. If you want a photo shoot or if you're a company that's looking for some shots, definitely hit me up. My work is at illwillmedia.com. The link is in the description. And hey, until next time, I'll see you later. Yo.